Everybody, how are you? Grade 6 with you, Mr. Mustafa, teacher of math from Al Karim Institute. I wish you be in a good health. Today we will complete our lesson. Unit 2, Lesson 3. Lesson 3 talking about miscellaneous exercises on ratio and its properties. Sometimes we need to calculate an unknown quantity if we know another quantity and the ratio between them. Sometimes we need to calculate an unknown quantity if we know another quantity and the ratio between them. If I have two quantities and I know the ratio between first quantity and the second quantity, and I know the value of one of them, how can I get the second value of the quantity, another quantity? Okay, the given quantity which I know its value defined as is a specified quantity, for example, as the weight of a person, or a price of a good, or the area of a piece of land, or a number of pupils. Okay, the unknown quantity which I wanted to get it and I wanted to know its value is defined as an unspecified quantity, and we wanted to know it. For example, the need to specify the weight of person, the price of goods, or the number of boys and girls in school. Okay. For example, exercise number 1. If the ratio between the weight of Hani and the weight of Ahmed 5 to 6, I talk about quantity weight of Ahmed and the weight of Hani, and I know ratio between them. Ratio between Hani and Ahmed 5 to 6. And if the weight of Ahmed is 60 kilograms, calculate the weight of Hani. Again, I have two quantities, weight of Hani and the weight of Ahmed, and I know ratio between them 5 to 6. Okay, and I know the value or real value of one of them, mean Ahmed. Ahmed's weight is 60 kilograms. Okay, how can I get the weight of Hani? No, another quantity. Solution: Hani to Ahmed, weight of Hani to weight of Ahmed. We will put the names of the two quantities. Quantity number 1, weight of Hani. The another quantity, weight of Hani to Ahmed, and I will put the ratio between them. Ratio between them equal 5 to 6. Okay, again, weight of Hani to weight of Ahmed. Ratio between them 5 to 6. Okay, we will put the real value of weight of Ahmed under the term of Ahmed. Okay, second term. We will put 60 under the term of Ahmed. Okay, يبقى Hani to Ahmed ratio 5 to 6, and the real value of Ahmed only. Okay, I know only value of Ahmed. Okay, equals 60 kilograms. So another quantity, question mark. I want to know it. By using cross multiplication, okay, we will get weight of Hani. By using cross multiplication, 5 times 60 over 6. Okay, the weight of Hani equal 60 times 5 over 6. 60 times 5 over 6, we can cancel 6 with 60 equal 10. 10 times 5 equal 50 kilograms. Again, weight of Ahmed and weight of Hani. He started with weight of Hani. Weight of Hani to weight of Ahmed. Ratio between them 5 to 6. Firstly, name. Secondly, ratio. Thirdly, the real quantity. Named Hani to Ahmed. Ratio 5 to 6. Real quantity. Real quantity, I know the value of weight of Ahmed equals 60. I will put it under the term of Ahmed. Okay? Like term of Hani, I want to know the real value of weight of Hani, so that I will put question mark. Okay? By using cross multiplication, we will get the weight of Hani. Weight of Hani equal, by using cross multiplication, 5 times 60 over 6. Cancel 6 with 60 equal 10. 10 times 5 equal 50 kilograms. Okay? Another exercise 2. Primary school has 540 pupils. A primary school has 540 pupils. The number of 540 pupils is the total number of boys and girls. Complete. If the ratio between the number of boys to the number of girls is 4 to 5. Again, ratio between number of boys to number of girls is 4 to 5. Boys to girls 4 to 5. Calculate the number of each boys and girls. Now, I know the total number of all pupils, boys and girls, equal 540 pupils. And I know the ratio between boys and girls equal 4 to 5. Okay? With me, solution. Firstly, the name. Name عندي boys to girls. To the total boys. Okay? There is a third term. Third term called the total. Total هو 540 pupils. Okay? We will put under them the ratio. Ratio between boys to girls equal 4 to 5. طب الريشيو بتاع التوتال I will do the summation of the two ratio of boys and girls. Okay? 4 to 5 to 9. 4 plus 5 equal 9. Okay? يبقى تاني again boy to girl to total. Boys to girls to total ratio 4 to 5 and the total ratio equal 4 plus 5 equal 9. Okay? The third term is the real value. I know the real value of the total boys. Okay? Equal 540. I will put 540 under the third term total. Okay? And boys and girls, I don't know the real value or the number of boys or girls. So that I will put under the boys and the girls question mark. Okay? How can I get number of boys and the number of girls? I will hit the term of boys, okay, and I will use the term of girls and term of total. يبقى hit the first term اللي هو الترم بتاع البوي, and I will use the cross multiplication by the another two terms girl and total. Cross multiplication to get the real value or the number of girls 5 times 540 over the 9. Okay? Again, I will hit the first term to get the number of girls. Hit the first term of boy. اعمل له hit. Okay? We will use cross multiplication to get the number of girls equal 5 times 540 over 9 equal 300 girls. Okay? To get the number of boys, we will hit the middle term, term بتاع girl. Okay? We will hit the second term بتاع girl, and we will use the cross multiplication to get the number of boys by using cross multiplication 4 times 540 over 9. Okay? 4 times 540 over 9 equal 240 boy. Again, I know the ratio between boys and girls, but I don't know the ratio of total. Ratio of total equals the sum of the two ratio or the two terms of ratio between boy and girl. 4 plus 5 equal 9. The real value, I know real value of total number 540, but I don't know the real value or the number of boy or number of girl. Okay, I will hit the term of boy to get the number of girls by using cross multiplication. 5 times 540 divided 9 equals 300 girls. I will hit the term of girl, okay, by using cross multiplication. 4 times 540 divided 9 equals 240 boys. Okay, another exercise number 3. The ratio between the height of two buildings in a town is 4 to 7. Again, ratio between the height of two buildings and the two buildings, ratio between height of them 4 to 7. First building and the second building. First building to second building equal 4 to 7. Okay? If the difference between their height is 9, difference, Okay, I will do subtract. Okay, if the difference meaning subtract. Okay, between their height is 9 meters. Okay, find the height of each of them. Again, I know the ratio between two buildings. Okay, 4 to 7, and the difference between them equal 9. يبقى النيم عندي first building and second building. The third term called excellent. The difference. Solution. First building, second building, and the difference. Second term we put under them the ratio. First building ratio بتاعت 4. Second building 7. And the difference. What can I do? I will do difference between the second from the first building. 7 minus 4 equal 3. Okay. About the real value, I know the real value of the difference between the two buildings, the height of the two buildings. I will put 9 under the third term, which called the difference. Okay. I will put 9 under the difference. Okay. The first build and second build, I will put question mark because I don't know the real value or the real value of height of the first or the second building. Okay. How can I get the height of first building or the second building? I will use cross multiplication, but I will hit the first term or the second term. Okay, I will hit the first term to get the second term, or I will hit the second term to get the first term by using cross multiplication. The height of the first building, I will hit the second term. Okay, use cross multiplication. 4 times 9 over 3. 4 times 9 over 3. 4 times 9 equal 36 over 12 equal over 3 equal 12 meters. Okay. To get the height of the second building, what can I do? I will hit the first term. Okay. By using cross multiplication, I will do 7 times 9 over 7 times 9 over 3. Then the height of the second building equal 9 times 7 over 3. 9 times 7 equals 63 divided 3 equals 21. Exercise number 4. A rectangle, the ratio between its length and its width is 7 to 4, and its perimeter is 44 centimeter. Find the length and the width of the rectangle. I know ratio between length and width. Okay, and the real value of perimeter of its perimeter. Okay, the rectangle, I know its perimeter and I know the ratio between length and width. Okay, firstly I will get the ratio of the perimeter. How can I get the ratio of the perimeter? By using the ratio of length and width. Okay, ratio of length 7, ratio of width equal 4, 7. Perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width in bracket times 2. Okay, a 7. Solution. The perimeter of rectangle, the ratio of perimeter. Okay, length plus width in bracket times 2. I will use the ratio value of length and width to get the perimeter ratio value. Okay, 7 plus 4 in bracket times 2. 7 plus 4 equal 11. 11 times 2 equals 21. Okay, 21 no unit because this value is ratio. Okay, a length to width to perimeter. I will put length by L and width W, perimeter B. Okay, the name is length to width to perimeter. Okay, ratio, second term we will put under them ratio. Ratio of L 7, ratio of W 4, ratio of perimeter 22. Okay, real value, I know the real value of the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, I will put 44, which is the perimeter of rectangle, under the third term, which is called the perimeter. Okay, 44. Length and width, real value, I don't know the real value of length and width. I will put question mark. To get length or width, I will hit one of them and use cross multiplication to get length or width. Okay, to get length we will hit the middle term, which is called width. We will hit the second term W. Okay, to get the length. By using cross multiplication, 7 times 44 divided 22. Okay, sorry, 44 times 7 over 22. Cancel 22 with 44 equal 2. 2 times 7 equal 14 centimeters. Okay, to get the width, we will hit the first term, which is called L, and use cross multiplication to get W. But W equal 4 times 44 by using cross multiplication. 4 times 44 divided 22 equal 8 centimeter. Cancel 22 with 44 equal 2. 2 times 4 equal 8 centimeter. Okay. Thanks for everybody. That was the last exercise in our lesson. We will complete our lesson in the second video. I wish you enjoy with this video. I wish you be in a good health. Thanks for everybody. Thank you.